Welcome back to the channel. So in this episode of What We're Bodging, it's the usual monthly rundown of what's been going on. This time it's August. So I've been spending a lot of time on the Brat. Printed a few more touches for it, got it in paint. We've got an intercooler and some mesh on there. Also a diffuser, number plate and exhaust. So there's been a lot of 3D printing going on with it. So with the 3D printing, some of it's trial and error. You can measure as much as you want, but sometimes you've still got to make adjustments. So we started off with a rough copper. That was the original bracket. Weren't too happy with the height. Made an adjustment on that. Happy with the position. Another quick rough print of a new design on it. Smoothed it off. Shortened it. And then got it on. So we'll go into more detail on that in the next video. There's still a few more bits that need to add to it. That's pretty much the Brat. You may have also seen in last month's episode that picked up TT01. This is going to be a test car for 3D printed wheels, but we need to do a few things to it. So I've been getting a few bits and pieces together for that. As you can see, we've got body posts missing. So I've designed and printed some up. But also no way to mount it. So we've got a replacement gearbox housing. It came with this Subaru body, which I kind of like, so I don't really want to destroy it. So what better body to put on than a Volvo, seeing as they're indestructible. So that'll be going on. And it doesn't matter if the wheels break and it crashes and wrecks it, as it's not the best. I'll do a little bit of clean up on it, get rid of the overspray on there. Might even put a spoiler on it, get rid of a few of the stickers. Also got the bearings together for when this has a service, because at the moment it's still got plastic bushes in, so I'll be having bearings. And then we'll have a nice little test chassis. Use it to test out any wheels that are printed, see how long they last or if they break at all. So that's pretty much it for August. So what's coming up this month? We're going to get the next video for the Brat, which is going to take a closer look at the intercooler, the mesh, diffuser and exhaust. And also we're going to get the livery on. We're also going to take a look at cleaning, servicing and upgrading this chassis, so drop the bearings in it and just generally give it a good clean, as it's currently got the battery stay held in with a panel pin. We'll do a video on some of the cars in the collection so far. So there's already a series on the Supra. There's also a series on the Subaru over there, the Bug Eye. So if you like anything you see, whether it be the 3D printed parts or just a general style of the cars, consider subscribing, share the video, like, and I'll see you in the next one.